I'm Phil Gertis with Phil and Victoria Gertis of Long & Foster Real Estate, Christie's International, and I'm at 4907 West Chalk Point Road in West River, Maryland. Check out this beautifully, newly built home. It is surrounded by water and it is incredible. Stay tuned, stick around. Let's check it out. You've seen it. I'm Phil Gertis with Phil and Victoria Gertis of Long & Foster, Christie's International, and this is 4907 West Chalk Point Road in West River. Check out the views, check out the home. Freshly built, incredible, on a double lot. I'm on the master bedroom balcony saying goodbye. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Schedule your tour now.